Here's how to send an email to your list so that you can promote an offer or just let people know that it's time for their next cleaning. So you're going to log into our CRM and go to the marketing tab and then head over to emails. Once you're inside of emails, if you've already got templates created, then you'll be able to pull from these templates to just create an email really quickly. If you don't have a template in here already, then let me know, because we've got a pre-made, just a text template here, a plain text template that works pretty well for you. So you'll go over to create campaign. Here's that plain text email template that I was telling you about. If you have other templates, you'll see those in here as well, and you can feel free to play with the design editor. However, I really recommend just sending plain text emails because you'll get higher deliverability, and believe it or not, you'll get more people reading your emails. People are used to seeing HTML, designed emails like that in their spam folder. They're not used to getting just plain text emails from somebody that looks like they're writing to their friend. So there's a little tip for you. So we'll start with this plain text email template. We'll give this campaign a name, by the way, so you can call it whatever you want, right? Campaign number 1. It could be like holiday special, 2024, whatever you want to call it, right? And then you'll write the email. This template's already kind of pre-filled in. You'll see that we pulled in custom values here. So like this will pull in your customer's first name. If you don't know how to use custom values, there's a button up here and you can pull in any information about your customer that's going to be reading this email. You can pull in any information about your business from account right here. And so what I've pulled in is, hi, customer's first name. It's your first name, right? If your name's Bill and you're the owner at ABC Cleaning, this is going to say, hey, it's Bill at ABC Cleaning, reaching out to see how your carpet's looking. We have a couple specials going on right now. I want to make sure you saw these. Special 1, special 2. There you go. Our schedule is pretty full this time of year. Give me a call right away if you'd like to schedule. This will pull in your phone number and make it clickable so that people can call you. This will sign it with your first name, last name, your business name, and your website. So you could rewrite this email if you want to, but this template gives you a good starting point. And whatever you want to promote, just drop it in here. Then next, you can send the email. And you'll get a preview of the email over here. If you want to send a preview to yourself, you can do this test email right here, this test email button, and it will allow you to send an email to yourself and see it in your inbox before you send it to everybody else. Next thing you'll want to do is put in your email address that you want people to see in the reply to field or in the from field. So whatever your company's email address is, right? info@companyname.com. So you'll put that in there. Then you'll put in your name, whatever you want them to see. So it might be ABC Cleaning, right? Or it might be, Bill at ABC Cleaning, whatever you want to use. And then subject line, you'll type in a subject line, something that will grab their attention and get them to open it. The goal of the subject line is to get people to open the email. So just try to grab their attention and get them to open it. Preview text is what people will see on their phone. If they see this come through as an email on their phone, this is the little preview of text that comes in underneath the subject line. So you can write something here if you want to. Then you'll choose who you want to send this to. You could send it to all of your contacts, or you could send it to a smart list if you've made a separate smart list of people that you want to contact. You could send it to people who have a certain tag. Those are probably what you're going to be using here. If you want to track clicks, you can do that. If you want to do UTM tracking, you can do that as well. And then when you're ready, you can send this now, or you can schedule it. If you want to schedule this for the future, you can do that as well. And then you'll hit this review and send button before you send it out. All right. If you have any questions, support at BookCleaningJobs. Thanks for watching.